Where function meets beauty. Where space becomes experience. Belentino. Interior design, curated spaces that elevate the way you live. Interior design is more than selecting finishes. It's about understanding how people live, move, and feel within a space. Our design approach balances aesthetics with functionality, creating environments that are as practical as they are beautiful. Every material choice, every color palette, every spatial arrangement is intentional. We design across every room in the home. Open-plan kitchen and living areas that flow naturally. Bathrooms that feel like private retreats. Bedrooms that cocoon you in comfort. Hallways and entrance spaces that set the tone from the moment you step through the door. Each space is considered individually and as part of the whole. Material selection defines the character of an interior. Natural stone, hardwood flooring, bespoke joinery, imported porcelain tiles, hand-finished plasterwork. We source from trusted suppliers and specify every material to ensure consistency of quality across the project. Color palettes are developed with natural light analysis and mood boarding. Open-plan living is the defining feature of modern London homes. Removing walls, extending into gardens, creating flowing spaces that connect kitchen, dining, and living areas. Our designs maximize natural light, define functional zones through materials and levels, and ensure the space works for everyday life. At Lethwaite Road in Clapham, the interior design transformed every floor of a Victorian terrace. A bespoke kitchen with handleless cabinetry, composite stone worktops, and integrated appliances. Open-plan living at ground level with engineered oak flooring and full-height glazing to the garden. Our Battersea project showcased how interior design elevates a standard extension. The kitchen and dining space were designed as a single visual statement, matching countertops, pendant lighting, and a curated palette of warm greys and natural oak that carried through to the bedrooms above. Lighting transforms how a space feels at every hour. We design layered lighting schemes, ambient ceiling washes, task lighting over work surfaces, accent lighting for architectural features, and dimmable circuits throughout. Every switch, every fitting, every color temperature is specified. Modern interiors integrate technology seamlessly. Concealed speakers, motorized blinds, underfloor heating with zone control, smart switches, and centralized home automation. Technology should enhance comfort without dominating the aesthetic. From Victorian terraces to contemporary new builds, from compact flats to family homes, our interior design portfolio spans London and the home counties. Every project receives the same level of detail, the same quality of specification, and the same commitment to creating spaces that endure. Beauty with intent. Value by design. Book your free interior design consultation at belentino.com.